All right, as you can see, we finally made it out to the property today. It was kind of like a surprise visit. I wasn't expecting to come out here, so I figured it'd be the perfect time to finally get the Tacoma walk around done. So this is how she currently sits. Sorry if there's wind noise, it's kind of windy today. Here's the bumper. Everything I did was for like max clearance, so that's why it's not a huge bulky bumper. Couple recovery points welded on there. And then here's the front tube bumper. And my LED auxiliary lights. So it's on 37 by 12 and a half, 17-inch wheel. It's on Federals, mud terrains. And then I have the Bilstein Toy Tech 3-inch lift with an add leaf in the rear. And I have JBA upper control arms. So it's just a 3-inch lift, but I had the fenders cut up about 3 inches front and rear, so that gives it more room to tuck. I am running the MBRP catback, which I love. Super easy to install and the tone is perfect. It's awesome, no drone whatsoever. The whole front suspension has pretty much been rebuilt because this truck has like 260,000 miles on it, so all the ball joints are new tie rods, obviously the coilover, upper control arm, lower control arm. Yeah. Everything was replaced. And then we rerouted the license plate lights up to here and mounted the plate on the back because the plate used to sit on the bumper, but like I said, I wanted max clearance. So, and these screw-ins are actually lights. They double as lights, so I won't get pulled over for no lights. Thought that was pretty cool. There's my Fire Stick CB antenna. Now we can go into the interior. I had my windows tinted 35%, which is legal all around. Just give it that clean look. All right. Oh, it's kind of sunny, isn't it? See if we can block some of that out really quick. Okay, so fairly simple interior. I have the Bluetooth receiver, Uniden, CB radio, and then besides that, everything else is stock. I will show you my headlights and my auxiliary lighting. And listen to the exhaust too. I'll show you the engine bay as well. I just have my auxiliary up right there. Sorry about that, I got cut off. But yeah, here's the aux beam LED auxiliary lights. And then my low beam is hyper yellow. I have a switchback LED, so I'll flip the high beams on really quick. And then my high beam is hyper white. So it's awesome. I can have the yellow low beam, which is like a good contrast at night or for dusty areas. And then when I need a high beam, it's white and it gets super far for the distance. So I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, and these are super bright at night. Cut those off. hood. So fairly stock under here. I just have a intake that I gold heat wrapped, and everything else is pretty much stock. I was planning on doing a supercharger on this, but I honestly don't think it needs it. It still gets up and goes pretty well with 37, so probably gonna leave it as is just for reliability's sake. It does need valve cover gasket, so I'm gonna do that. And I probably shouldn't be driving around with scissors on the intake manifold. No idea how those got there. But yeah. So yeah, simple yet effective. Drives super well, has good road manners. Oh yeah, I also have rock lights on all four corners. Right there. And then on the front, right there, above the coilover, and it's the same on the other side, so it's not nighttime, so you won't be able to see it. I can insert a couple pictures of how bright they are at night. But yeah, that's the Tacoma in a nutshell. Super happy with it, I love it. It's a great contrast to the S13. Definitely gets a lot of looks. Not too many people are on 37s that still have IFS. We'll see how long my CV axles last and my differentials, but so far so good. Let me know if you want to see anything else on it. I'll probably make a video of some like snow wheeling trips and all that kind of good stuff. So nice little break from the S13 action, but we'll get right back to it in the next few days. All right, I'll see you in the next one.